check your links panel. If I look at the links panel here, which pops it from here, you will notice that I have 4 linked images here. This one is this tree on page 1. If you go down to the bottom here, you'll notice that there are actually some options here. One is relink. I could actually put a different image there. Or if I've lost the link to my original image, I can relink it here. The second one is go to link, which will actually take you to wherever that link is in the document. This one is update. This one is edit original, which would take you, if this is a Photoshop file, it'll take you back to Photoshop so you can change it there. If I click on this one that says nature, again, if I click on go to link, it takes me to that link on page 2. If I wanted to change it and relink it, I could actually put a different picture there. So if I go back to nature.ai, again, making sure show import options is highlighted, I could say, okay, I actually really want to have these trees instead. So it allows me to relink unlinked pictures, and it also allows me to change the contents of that frame. Now, if I go down to this one, you'll notice that this one has a little question mark beside it, and that is usually really bad. That means that InDesign can't find the link. For some reason, the picture has been taken out of the folder where it is. Again, if I go to link, it's a little bit deceiving because it looks okay, but InDesign would not have the original picture there, so it would print a low resolution preview, or if you're exporting it to a PDF, again, a low res preview. This little triangle means that this image actually has been changed in Photoshop but not updated. So that's actually not as bad. I can just click on it and then just click on this little icon here, and it will change it to reflect the changes that I made in Photoshop. The last thing down here is some info about the link. So if I click on this, you can see that, and I'm going to make this bigger here. You can see I've got a ton of information about this. What format is it originally? What resolution is it? So you remember these images were really huge at 72 ppi, but when I shrank them down in InDesign to fit into a small frame, they actually came out at an effective ppi. So what this would print or export at is actually 1100 pixels per inch. This is the original diameter of the picture and when it was taken and all the information that is included in the image. So all the link info. The thing that's really important to you is the effective ppi. If you have a small picture and you're making it bigger, the pixels per inch, the resolution might be too low, and then you could have problems. Now, if I go back to my desktop here and find that image, which is this one, and place it into the folder, this is where InDesign is expecting it to be. And now when I go back to InDesign, you'll notice that the little red stop sign has disappeared. So InDesign is happy.